Not ID cards, at least. They are saying John C. Say John C. Sir will say John C. will say John C. will say.
ये गलत है.
John C. will say कितना है John C. will say.
I don't know what is there.
मदी
इनका आईडी नंबर भी नहीं देखो
हाँ ये तो हमारे पास है.
So, how do you feel? What are you doing here right now?
Doing registration.
Doing registration, yeah. How do you feel?
Yeah, good.
It's the 29th Navapur convention, right?
Yeah, 29.
And what's it like? I mean, are you excited, nervous?
Yeah, excited, definitely excited.
Excited, huh? A bit nervous? Kind of, yeah. So, how are things going? Yeah.
Everything is best.
Going well, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So,
So wonderful to be back in Navapur again. A lot of excitement about what God is going to wants to do this year, and I'm looking forward for many new blessings to come upon the people of God as well as personally for myself. I pray that God will bless each and every person who steps into the convention ground.
या वो टाइमिंग काउंटिंग जब गाना पूरा थम जाएगा उसके बाद वो काउंटिंग स्टार्ट होता है. मैं गाऊं गाए होसना, मैं गाऊं गाए होसना, होसना होसना होसना. Where's Moses?
That's what I was thinking. You know, Moses.
He has to give.
this is your second year, right? In Navapur convention.
I think so.
Yeah. So, first day, how do you feel?
I feel excited.
You feel excited?
Looking forward to see God's glory.
Oh, that's great. Anything special you're expecting?
Anything special? Yeah, God's glory is what I'm expecting.
That's
special,
right. Oh, yeah, that's right. So, how was last year?
Last year was good.
Okay.
It was a good experience.
It was a good experience. Okay. And where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad right now. Yeah, I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. So, you're practicing right now, okay?
Yep.
First
we're getting
day.
ready for the evening.
And how is the practice coming along?
Seems to be good.
It's good, huh?
More to be done, but yeah, we'll
Yeah.
be ready by the time it's done.
By the time it starts. Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
I'm looking for a glorious worship with the people of Navapur.
Okay. And anything special you're doing this time around? You know, something special, anything coming
Yeah,
in?
we are having the tambourine dance,
Okay.
and the girls are also coming up with some pom-poms.
Okay.
Okay, so I think it's going to be very colorful.
ये दोनों अपने सूट में
Okay. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
So, what are you expecting from God this time around the year?
Yeah, some good things are going to happen.
Okay. You're part of the worship team?
Yes,
Okay, so how do you feel?
I'm feeling really good.
Really good? Excited?
Yes, I'm really excited.
And okay, so this is after a long time that you're now for convention almost. I
After
think.
like 7-8 years.
7 or 8 years. Oh, that's very long.
First time I'm the part of the worship.
Part of the worship team. Okay, that's a really long time. So, how is the practice coming along?
That is going really well.
Really well. You expecting something from God?
I expect big things from God, and Jesus' name should be glorified, not anyone else.
That's so great. Okay, so third day of the meeting,
Yes, sir.
how do you feel?
It's getting better every day. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आज शाम को काफ़ी कलाकार लोग वचन बोलने वाले बहुत अच्छा माला आज रात को मैं सोचता हूँ रात से बढ़कर आज रात की होगी much better than the first 2 nights. Thank God for everything.
And how is everything coming along? The word, the worship, has it?
It's coming along better. It's coming. We can do a greater job, really, but it's coming along well.
Okay, which aspect of this meetings have touched you the most? What do you think has been really clicking? You know?
Good one. I think word and worship, a mixture of both is the best
That's
part
quite a
of now.
diplomatic answer. So what do you expect from now onwards? How do you expect God
I
to
think
work?
we really want to break every barrier in terms of ministry, in terms of worship, in terms of the word. We want to break every man-made barrier, whether it has been created by us, but for the future generations, we just want to see God's glory afloat. जो कुछ हमने आज तक किया है वो कुछ नहीं खुदा ने हमारे लिए किया बहुत कुछ बाकी है करना वो है अपना सपना आज रात से वो शुरू होना चाहिए
How do you feel being in the convention?
Hey, I can't tell you how excited I am to be at the Native Missionary Movement Convention, the largest gathering of Christian people in the history of Northern India. It's absolutely been a great time for me to be here and to have the chance to share together with the crowd of people last night was a real thrill for myself. And to see so many people that are so receptive to the message of the love of Jesus is just touching my heart. And for a skinny preacher from Canada to come here and be able to see this is just an absolute delight for me. And I thank God for what He's doing in Northern India. I thank God for the work and the efforts of everybody involved in Native Missionary Movement. And it is just my delight to be a part of it.
So we were really blessed by your ministry down here yesterday and day before yesterday, and so we just want to know, what do you take back from here?
Yeah, well, I think if I think back to last night's message, and it really had to do with God asking the question, what's in your hand? What is there that you have to offer the Lord, even if it's just your area of greatest weakness? If we will offer these things to the Lord, and His strength is made perfect in our weakness, or He takes the smallest things that we give Him and can do great miracles with that. I think the receptivity of the people who heard the message and responded after by raising their hand and offering themselves or their what's in their hand to the Lord, it was just a thrill to watch people do that. That's my greatest thrill.